Good morning, this is Willem from the Realty Group. Today we first have to go to the garage for my Jeep, my big old Jeep, and we're going to bring it down with my wife.
Hello!
That's Patricia, my wife. I drive here with my lucky 8-ball and my Zapatista from ancient Mexico. The Zapatistas are not there anymore. So we're here at Constantine Auto. Constantine is the best mechanic for me. I've tried many here in Dominican Republic, but I keep coming back, not because I need to come back because my car is always broke. Because of Constantine, it's because of the old age of the car. Constantine, he's the mechanic to go to, yes. Hello Alex, good morning. He is the man, the best man who painted my car. He can do all the repairs on your car. He has a lot of work now because he's good. So there you see the paint on my car. I'm very happy with that. Thank you, Alex.